Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to this guide on creating environments in Unity. In this video, I will explain how to make an environment in Unity. We'll begin by setting up your project and creating the foundational landscape. First, launch Unity Hub and start a new project, choosing either the Universal Render Pipeline or High Definition Render Pipeline for optimal visual quality. Then, in your scene, right-click in the hierarchy, select 3D Object, and choose Terrain to add a large, flat plane. For enhanced sculpting, open the Package Manager and install the Terrain Tools package. Now that you have your basic terrain, let's sculpt it into a dynamic landscape. Utilize the Raise or Lower Terrain tool to form hills and valleys, adjusting the brush size and strength for precise control. Next, use the Smooth Height tool to soften harsh edges, creating natural-looking slopes. To add visual detail, select the Paint Texture tool. Create new terrain layers for different materials like grass, dirt, or rock. Then paint them onto your terrain with varying opacities. With your terrain sculpted and textured, it's time to bring it to life with vegetation and water. Select the Paint Trees tool in the Terrain Inspector. Add different tree prefabs, then paint them individually, or use the Mass Place Trees option to cover vast areas with hundreds of trees. For ground cover, switch to Paint Details to add grass and small rocks. Finally, introduce water by adding a simple plane with a water material or importing a specialized water asset from the Unity Asset Store. To achieve a polished and immersive environment, lighting and post-processing are crucial. Adjust your directional light to mimic the sun, setting its rotation for time of day and color for mood. Next, apply a skybox material in the lighting window to establish your scene's overall atmosphere. For advanced visual effects, install the post-processing package from the Package Manager. Create a post-process volume and add effects like bloom for glowing lights, vignette for a focused view, and color grading to fine-tune your scene's aesthetic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.